Hey guys, Joey here. Thanks for tuning in. All right, so I'm gonna actually teach you how to grow peaches and cream corn in a pot. Now I have a big pot here that I had left over. I guess it's a 15-gallon pot. I put in Miracle-Gro soil, and I actually put in the in-ground Miracle-Gro soil because, you know, it's kind of in ground anyways. I know you can use potting mix if you want, but I feel like this is going to be a little bit stronger and hold things together a little bit better. So what I've done is I actually started, as you can see over here, the peaches and cream in smaller pots. Now you don't have to do this. I just did this because I wasn't exactly sure where I was planting things. I actually tried twice. The first ones I just did regular sweet corn, and they were all decimated by squirrels and other things. So I thought, well, if I put them right in the ground, maybe they're going to be eaten. So I started them in pots like this. So here's what I did. I put them in these pots, and now I'm like, okay, well, I heard of a company, I'm not going to say which company, but for their Halloween event, they actually grew all of their corn stalks in giant pots like this. And I thought, well, that's an awesome idea. Why don't I do that? So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take all of these. Some of them didn't make it. I know I should have been watering them more, and probably should have got to this a long time ago, because corn doesn't always transplant very well. But let me show you what I'm going to do next. So I've made sure to level off all of the soil. There's Minnie Mouse. And everything in here is going to be very level. I'm just going to take this, go boop. Oh, it's not going to. And then just kind of like shake it so that it can be about level. And then we're just going to start taking all of these little pots here and kind of, I would be doing this with two hands, but I'm just going to do this with one hand right now. But just kind of put them in here like that. This is the fun part, actually, because you're like, here we go, this is awesome. I actually got a ton of these little pots here. I think I paid $1 for 500 pots. If you've ever been to a bin store, check my other channel. It's Joey's Amazing Things. I have a video on there about what a bin store is, and basically it's almost like Amazon returns or discontinued items from Walmart or Target and stuff. And I got some amazing deals from there. But one of the things that I got related to this channel are these pots. And so, yeah, I'm able to use them, reuse them for all different kinds of projects. And actually, they're really sturdy. I think the Dollar Tree sells pots like this. You get about 6 for $1.25. So just keep looking around. I don't know what your local bin store will have, if it has anything like this, but awesome. So I'm just gonna, I think this might be spread out enough. I'm not 100% sure if this is gonna live, or I mean, if they're all gonna live, of course. Most of them will live. It is pretty good soil, and I'll keep it very moist. There we go. And there. I just think it's kind of cool growing around in a circle like that. Let's see. There we go, guys. Awesome. I have 4 more, so let's figure out where those are gonna go, because let's see. Maybe, actually there. 1. This one's really little, so I'm not sure if it's gonna make it, but go here. 2 more. Here we go. And a little bit more. Now the soil that I'm going to use to fill it in actually comes from Dollar Tree. Speaking of Dollar Tree, probably recommend using proper soil. But I mean, not that the Dollar Tree soil is bad or anything. It's just, I find it is just not as good as Miracle-Gro soil that you get directly from Home Depot. But let me go grab those bags real quick here. I think it's only going to take us 1 or 2 bags just to fill in this part. hold them in place there, because I think so let's look from above here. They're pretty spread out, I'd say, for the most part. And like I said, I don't think they're all gonna live, but let me just go grab the other soil real quick. All right, guys, this is the stuff I was talking about that I got actually from Dollar Tree. And I mean, it's not the worst. I don't think it's the worst. All right, here we go. Pour this in. Now I might need 2 hands for this, guys, but let's just put some in, and then you'll kind of see it's just kind of spreading out, breaking up the clumps, filling in the holes there. All right, I'll be right back. All right, guys, there we go. So I actually put in I'm gonna leave these pots extra here, just over 1.5 bags of those soil packets right here from the Dollar Tree. So if you want to do this on a budget too, that's how you do it. With me, it was just the only option I had available at the time. I couldn't find soil for some reason, so Dollar Tree had a whole bunch, and I said, all right, I'll grab some. But here we go. So then I filled this all in. I'm just gonna make sure that this is wet. I am gonna keep this wet all the time. This does get full afternoon sunlight, so I'll do an update video shortly here, and we'll see how it grows. I'm so excited. So you can see how big some of it is right now. All of them though, they're pretty strong. I wouldn't be surprised if most of these took. Some of these, like this tiny little guy right here, I don't know, but this is exciting. Hopefully within a month, these things will be ginormous. But let's see, a little bit of love, a little bit of food and water, Miracle Grow soil and sun, and let's see what happens. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Just a short, quick video about how you can do this as well at home. Like this video, please. Give it a thumbs up. Ring-a-ling-ding that bell when you subscribe. That way you get notifications when new videos do come out. And I'm going to try to do new videos all the time. Anyways, guys, thanks. Have a great day. Bye. Hey guys, so it gets dark very, very quickly here at the farm, and I just wanted to show you, I did give it some water, which balanced out all of the soil, and everything looks so nice. Let's keep our fingers crossed and our toes crossed, and let's hope this grows. All right, guys.